Child, my dear student, this is Jyoti Malvi ma'am from Balkrishna School. Today we are learn in chapter 1 natural environment, ecosystem and human natural. As we know, environment is a combination of natural and human phenomena. Now we can learn natural environment, land, water, air, plants, and all that thing, all the combination of these things coming in environment. Lithosphere, it is a solid crust of earth. Hydrosphere, water sources are coming here. Atmosphere, all the gases and air come in that one. And biosphere, in biosphere, all these other three things coming together in biosphere. That combination of atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere is coming together in this. We can learn easily by that environment. In that environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere, all the things are coming. Atmosphere, that we breathe and other gases exist, and biosphere is a part of everything. It means in biospheres all these three things are coming, which is comes in atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. It means mountains, water, land, air, all that things are coming together in biosphere. Now we can learn ecosystem. All plants, animals and human being depends on their immediate surrounding. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surrounding from an ecosystem. We can get easily by that picture that ecosystem how it works. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountain, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond also come in that. Now it is a water circle. In that also you can get easily. Now human environment. We interact environment day to day according to our needs. As we having too much in modernization, we need grow. We ahead and make things to fulfill our needs. We had go ahead and learn grow crops. The demand and the supply depends on each others. As we demand, we have to fulfill that supply. So you can see easily correlation between the two. Example, we need prestige building, and building for building we need raw materials. We go to nature and we evaporated rocks and cut down trees forward to take down to get water, and that we have created environment that help us living good.